Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to remove background in your any photo within Microsoft Word. So let's take a look how to do that. In this case I am going to open my Microsoft Word and then I'm going to choose a blank document, and then I'm going to insert a picture, whatever picture I would like to. So I'm going to insert this picture, and then now I would like to remove this picture background in Microsoft Word. It's really easy and simple. You can do that. Simply select the picture and then you will see there will be picture tools appear. In here in the left side corner you will see remove background. So if you click remove background, automatic tools will appear, and now you can see this picture automatic detect my face and other things is pink. That means if I click on keep change, it will delete this pink area and the area is appear that will keep. But I would like to customize, like I would like to also remove this, and would like to add this down area. So you can do it very simple and easy. Simply you can just make it like this and then make this like this. Now here you will see there will be three tools, which is mark plus mark area to keep. That means whatever you mark here, that area will be keep. Mark area to remove, whatever you will mark, that area will be removed, or delete mark. So I'm going to choose mark area to remove. So I'm going to choose this, and then I'm going to select this area to remove, and you will see this area automatically detected and it will be removed. And also I would like to remove this area. You see this automatically detected. And now if I click on keep change, and it will remove magically from Microsoft Word background. So that's pretty good. So this is how you can simply remove background in Microsoft Word. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.